So here's a cool script that is unfortunately unavailable. Maybe one day though. But I was working on the shoulders. They're a bit too plain though. After remeshing them, they just don't have any detail. But instead of modeling detail by hand, I thought I would just use a script. So I just made a basic selection with the paint select tool, and it's called pattern something. This one, I believe. And I'm pretty sure I already saved a preset, so all I have to do is click on it, and there you go. Instant detail. And I guess I want to sharpen this a bit. Cool. You know what? Let's do one more, because that's kind of cool. So let's remake our selection. Oops. Let's do some cool face selection. Doesn't matter too much. Okay, let's go with that. And run it again. Hey, we didn't even have to reselect the preset because it remembers our last settings, which is handy. There we go. Looks pretty nice. There's one drawback to the specific detail though, and that is the fact that if I turn on the shoulder plates, we can't see it anymore.